can find the Phonto app on Android or iPhone. So we're going to go to the app. When you click the camera in the center, it takes you to where you can take a photo, or you can work with a plain image like we're going to do right now. You can change the dimensions of the plain image. So up the top, you can get it to be a square, a rectangle. Then you can go in, change the color of the background. Here I'm going to lilac first. And then I'm going to play around with a bunch of different colors. You can choose just about any color you want. Or you can put in a hex code if you don't see the color showing up, and you can save it for future use. You can also toggle around with the different features and get the color to change to what exactly you want it to be. So then you click use, then we're gonna click on the canvas. That allows us to add text. Here I'm adding how to edit photos with Phonto. You can put it in center align, right, left, you can change up the font. And Phonto actually arranges all the fonts for you. So the ones that you used recently, the ones that you favorite, and you can also import fonts for future use. As soon as you have come up with a font, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller. The buttons down by the bottom allow you to put it dead center. You can also click the layout option that allows you to put it in different parts of the screen, or you can play around with the arrows, or just click on the thing and move it around yourself. You can change up the spacing to make the letters further apart, or the lines further apart or closer together. I like when my lines are close together. You can change this to any color that you want. Trust me, play around in there, you have a lot of options. And you can do the same thing too and add a hex code if you don't see the color showing up there. You can also add a stroke in whatever color you want. I like to thicken my stroke to about 10 to give it an outstanding look. You can also go into shadows. You can play around with the different types of shadows. I love this app. You can also put underlines under your text. You can save the style for future use. So just click the 3 lines in the top right-hand corner of your workspace when you go to style and fix that up. Now I'm gonna take you to the eraser app so that you can create a logo to add. So what I did here was to just add my logo that's on a white background, clicked erase, and then I removed the target area, which was the white, but it also removed the white inside my photo, and I don't want it to be removed. So now I'm using the restore option to just clean up all of those areas that I want to remain unerased. So now I've downloaded it to my gallery, and I can go for that in my gallery and add it to my Phonto workspace. I can make it smaller or larger. I can move it around to wherever I need to move it to. And I can center it. I can fade it out so it's not so bright. I can also tilt it so it's tilted to the right or the left. To export it, you click the little share button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select save image or save PNG. You can also save it as a project so that when you want to work on it again, you can come back. So these are all the projects that I have worked on recently. Then you select reset by clicking that camera in the center of the screen again, and that clears the workspace. To click the camera again, and that allowed me to go to the photo albums, get that image, and now I am going to add an item by clicking on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, choosing the shape I want, which in this case is a circle. I am changing the color of the circle, and now I'm gonna add text to the circle. So this is gonna be one of those nice quote graphics. So I'm typing that out, and I'm going to center it. And it came out blue because that's what the previous text was. So here I'm just changing the color. I changed it to black, and now I'm going to change it to green to have it matching the background. I am also going to make the spacing, the line spacing, smaller so that there isn't so much space in between the lines. Remember, you can change the font of your text. So when you're ready, you just go ahead, save that image to your camera roll, And that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I'll be doing more app reviews, so subscribe for that and check out the video I have titled 7 apps every content creator should have in 2020. In the last video, I did a review on Lightroom Mobile, so check out that video as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.